Hi guys, and welcome to Tradies Angel. When you sign in for the first time and you've gone through the process and established your user ID and your password, when you get to this page and you log in, the first thing that you should be doing is setting up your company profile. Okay, to do this, you'll go into settings, company info. Okay, and start at the top and work your way down. Okay, so business name. If you've got a logo, this is where you put it in here. So you select your file from your computer and simply upload it there. Your address details, your tax, your ABN, your banking details, which will appear on your invoices. This part here, you can play around this when you develop your invoices. It will display as you type it here. There's no set boxes, so as you type it is how it will look. Now the next box with your invoice mail content. Okay, so when you send an invoice out, this is the text that will appear on the email. And your invoice will be an attachment, and that will be the text. So as you can see here, I've just filled, this is what I use in my business, and I've just kept that nice and simple. Now with your invoice text, this is the text that will appear in the box at the bottom of your invoice. That can be anything you like, payment terms or anything else that you like. When I first set this up, I just filled all this out, created invoices, had a look at it until it just felt right and it was what I was happy with. It's very easy to come back into settings and change it around. There's no issues with that at all. Okay, so coming down the list to your quote mail content, exactly the same as invoice. This will be the content that's in the email, and the next one here will be the text that's at the bottom of your quote. Terms and conditions, I haven't filled this one out yet. That will be the back page of your quote, and that is for your terms and conditions of doing business with your customers, payment terms, any warranty claims or anything to do with your business. That's where you put it there. Date format, that's pretty self-explanatory. Day, month, year is what we use here in Oz. Okay, now for these parts here, Australia, that's GST. Tax percent is 10. Now the calculation here, right, depends on how you figure your quotes or invoices out, whether you like to include that percentage in your quote or invoice or add it to it. So deduct means, well, let's just start with add. That's the easiest. Add will also, whenever you figure your price out and if you have this setting at add, it will add that percentage to your quote or your invoice. If you have this setting here, it will include it, and it will show the included amount. Okay. The credit card charge, if you're using a payment processor and you need to add this is simply where you put the percentage. Now, we'll skip this part. I'm going to give you another tutorial on how to use SMS to customers, because this part ties into your calendar as well. Okay, which is your appointments up here. So I'll skip that. Down here in your quotation follow-ups, you don't have to use this. We like to use it. It's more contact with the customer, and it brings us more jobs. So when you signed up, part of your bonus that you got for signing up with Tradies Angel, we've already written these 3 templates for you. All you have to do is copy and paste them in here and adjust them to suit your business. Okay, so from the first day you send out a quotation, the system will automatically send a follow-up email and with that text in it. Okay, so from the initial quote, I have got this 3 days later. You can change it to whatever you like, whatever suits you. Same with the second mailer and the third mailer. Okay, pretty self-explanatory. And I also follow them up with a phone call as well. With your invoice follow-ups, exactly the same. Pretty self-explanatory. You've got this as a bonus. Again, just change the suit, and with the days as well, whatever suits you and is part of your terms and conditions of doing business. Okay, so hope that was helpful for you. That's what you should get going straight away to start customising your quotes and invoices, and get that sorted out, and we'll move on to the next modules for you to take notes on, or take notes on, but to learn on. Okay, thanks guys, bye.